Morning, back out again, up in Kintail, 24th of May, it's about 10 o'clock, I'm out with Peter and Brett, and we're going to do the Brothers Ridge, the Munro hike. Peter's left his car at the Cluny, so it's straight up, quite a steep ascent to get to the Bealac and then turn right to head along the ridge, and it should take us about 7 hours or so. So a long weekend in Kintail. Airbnb booked on the road to Glenelg, and hopefully we're going to do the Glen Shield 7 tomorrow. Frank's joining us later on, so look forward to see you later on, Frank, and maybe get a few beers in. Right, let's do this. Glen Shield, the Battle of Glen Shield. So we're about 400 metres just now, heading into Clagson, and that's looking back east along the 87. And hopefully we'll be up there tomorrow, we will be up there tomorrow, in the Glen Shield Ridge.
I know.
Aye, so we've got
I think there's no midges.
Still heading up. We're about 660 metres, and we're in the Clag now, well and truly. Hopefully we'll reach the Bealac, but it'll be Bealac and you head off to the right. So that there's a cairn, it marks the cut-off point. So we're going to head up to the right and go along the Brothers Ridge, and going left takes you to the Five Sisters of Kintail. So about an hour and 15 to here, probably about 700 odd metres or so. That says about 850. So I think we're just gonna, I think the first one's just up there. No, surprise, surprise, that wasn't the summit. It was a false summit. I should know better by now. Oh, shouldn't be too far. Good path, grassy ridge, in the Clag, but absolutely no wind. Summit of Salig, 956 metres I think it is.
You found your second wind, Brett? Yeah, I seem to. I don't know where that came from. I was just keen to get to the top, you know. It was in sight and I just wanted to get there. Well done.
Well done, guys.
Yeah.
That was 1 hour 50 to get to the first summit, and there's no views at all in the Clag.
I know.
So we're still between the first and second Munro. Head over this way. Looks like a nice wee scrambly bit there, but Just follow the path and bypass it. We shouldn't be too far away from the second Munro. We're up over 1,000 metres, and the second one's the highest of the day at 1036, I think. I think there's a wee bit that kind of juts off to the left to go and get to the cairn. A wee cairn.
Below the top, mind you.
She shouldn't be too far.
Quite a decent sized cairn though for. Aye.
Yeah, it's quite lofty. It's lofty perch.
Oh my god. Going to the top, Andy. What is on my shoulders.
Well done, guys. Second Munro of the day.
Well done, everyone. Good.
Yeah, well
Yep.
done.
Aye.
This is a very kind of lofty perch up here. Whew. So that was maybe what, an hour and a half in the first one.
Space.
Right, there's some more folk coming, so maybe just get back down so these folk can get up here. Right,
So where do we go?
just coming off the second Munro and we're just kind of
Yep, yep.
heading back down along to the third Munro.
Cardiovascular fitness.
That second one was the highest of the three. So probably just more of the same. It was a busy place up there, congregating in the second Munro, second summit. There wasn't a place for lots of folk to be hanging about, so we didn't hang about long so other folk can take their shot at getting to the top.
Heavy drinker, smoker,
Yep.
overweight.
Yeah, pure quality of life.
Aye, that's it. Very sedentary life. Oh aye, okay. They're not hanging about, are they? They're kind of catching up with us, aren't they?
Do you want to just let them go?
Aye.
You might as well, if you want to go for a feed, you know.
So we're heading up there. Oh, I'm sweating, man, big time. So we're heading up here. I don't know if this is the top of our full summit, but we're getting higher. This is just over 1,000 metres. And we're probably about 900 or something now. It's my cracking ridge walk, it has. Broad grassy ridges, pass all the way. Nice terrain. Oh. Yeah, there's the third Munro of the day. Oh. Oh. Well done, guys. Yeah.
It was until the last 10 minutes. Yeah, it's really got quite.
Oh, now you sleep. You lie down. That's about 4.5 hours to get to the third Munro, so this is just over 1,000 metres. Another couple of hours down. Still in the clag, but enjoyable all the same. Just leaving the summit of the third one, so that's the hard work done for the day. Not quite plain sailing, there was this Munro top to come over. it's starting to clear up a wee bit, so we could come down from up there and go this Munro top to head over there and back down to Cluny. There's the 87 down there. So another Munro top in the bag, as you know many have done. We've just come over yet another wee bump here, but I think that's it now, because it's straight out here and then there's Loch Cluny down there. So the Cluny we're in just be down there. It's nice and peaceful. As we've come down from over there. Back up here to go back down. I'm not sure what this cairn is, but I'm assuming it leads the way down towards the Cluny Inn. So I found a route back down towards the Cluny. Cars parked just along there, and Peter will take it back to my car, which is along there. It's the back of 4 and we're nearly at the Cluny Inn. Oh, feeling pretty parched, we're going to head in and get a refreshment. I'll catch you guys in the Clacky Inn. So I'll catch you guys in the Cluny Inn with a cold cider. Oh, some much needed refreshments. Enjoy this.
Lovely. Cheers, guys. Cheers.
Aye, cheers. Another good day, another good hike.
Cheers, man.
Cheers. So I'll wrap this video up. If you've watched this far, thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.